Hello everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on IMDb. For that, first of all, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now, I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your web browser, search imdb.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on IMDb's website. Then tap on the sign in option, which is on top right of your screen. After that, tap on yellow tab that says create a new account. Now you'll have to enter your name, enter your email address that you want to link to your account. After that, create a password and be sure that your password is at least 8 characters. When you're done, tap on the yellow tab that says create your IMDb account. To verify your email address, IMDb will send you OTP on your email, so open up your mail. After you open up your mail, there you'll see the OTP. Copy it and then go back to your browser and then paste it. When you're done, tap on create your IMDb account. This way you can create your IMDb account. Now you can watch hundreds of movies and TV episodes for free. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.